What is up, guys? Back with it. Hold on. We're back with another really cool unboxing. There was nothing here a second ago, but now, I don't know. I don't have a funny pun. But this is the Nothing Phone 2, so let's open it. I feel like I'm dual wielding things. Not that anyone ever calls me, but if they did, I'd probably miss it because I have 3 phones. All right, this is the Nothing Phone 2. I didn't get a chance to play with the Nothing Phone 1, but you know what? I'm really excited about this. I love this box. This doesn't feel like a phone. It just, I don't know, they did a really good job about making it feel exciting. It feels like a record or like a CD or something. I don't know. But there's this really fancy red pull tab up top here, so we may not even have to bust out the knife today. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Better watch out. All right. So pull that. I want to do this right. Okay. Okay. This is cool. Little top comes off, and then you just... Oh, that's cool. Yo, it's just so... It's very dense. And it's all textured. Can you see that on this camera at all? No, probably. Can you see it on this camera? It's like textured. I don't know if you can tell, but the whole thing, it's like Braille. It's like, it's all textured. Very cool, very cool. All right. Yo. Listen to that clonk. That's got some weight to it, dude. This is cool, dude. Look at the way that they make this box. Y'all have an underappreciation for boxes your stuff comes in these days. And there it is. Check that out, a little tab. Let's do the other stuff first. Let's do the other stuff. The little cover. You got a sim. Look at the sim tool. This sim tool is clear. It's nothing. Look at the cable. Yo. Dude, I'm gonna just steal the cable. I don't even need the phone, dude. Look at this cable. The ends are clear. I don't know if you can tell, but the ends on it are clear. Look at that. And they even say nothing. You gotta love that, dude. I gotta say, they're doing something different, and that's what's important. This looks just like paperwork, so I'm not too interested in that. All right, let's do the phone. If I can get the little thing. Give me the tab. Ooh, good weight right off the bat. Earth first. Phone 2 has 53 parts made with sustainable materials. Its packaging is plastic free. Thumbs up for that. Big fan of that. Wow, look at that. It's just got all the label. Even the little clear. I love this translucent paper plastic that they put on stuff. I don't know what it is. Wow, that's so cool. All right. Okay. Look at that. How it just unfurls. I'm gonna slide it out. Yo. All right, I'm gonna do the reveal. Ready? Yo, it's so cool. Holy crap. Whoa, dude. That's trippy. That is so trippy right there. That's crazy. Oh no, I'm in trouble. I'm in so much trouble. I don't know, man. I'm liking this a lot, dude. I'm liking this a lot. This, hold up. Put it right there before we power it on. Let me clean this up real quick. So this is the Nothing Phone 2. It looks apparently very similar to Nothing Phone 1. I didn't have Nothing Phone 1, so I'm not super familiar with whether or not how similar they are, but I love this clear glass back, dude. All right, should we power it on? Are you ready? I don't know which side to look at. I don't know how to hold it. Should we like do one of these? I don't know, I'm nervous. Okay, here we go, ready? Oh, there it is. Is it come on yet? Wait. Oh, it's loading. Give it a sec. I'm gonna hold it like this. Maybe you guys can see it. Maybe I won't be able to. Hello. Okay, cool. So it hasn't lit up yet. We're just gonna go through the setup real fast. Yo, it looks so clean. I love it. So here's the Pixel and here's the Nothing Phone 2. I don't know, dude. I might have to give up the Pixel for this one. You should be able to go to the settings. Glyph interface. Oh, yo, that's so wild. Whoa. Do it again. Oh, That's so cool. Wait, do it again. I'm such a sucker. I'm such a sucker, dude. Oh my god, I'm having so much fun with this. This Yo, wait a minute. I don't know if I can turn the main light off. I don't know if this will work. Hold on. I'm sold. So sold. The ADHD in me is just firing on all cylinders right now, dude. I don't have any friends, but if I did, dude. Tell me that doesn't sound like R2-D2 right now. I'm sold. Wow, it looks really good. Look. It's got a tiny little red light. I love tally lights. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm filming myself this direction either. Hi. So this is really cool. It has a little red tally light. So, you know, you can let everybody know that you're filming and are a content creator and are obnoxious. Like me. Sick. In any case, this is the Nothing Phone 2. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. And as always, make sure to subscribe to see more content like this. You can follow me on all the things, all the platforms. Kick, Twitch, YouTube, Threads, Twitter, X, whatever it's called now. I'm pretty much everywhere all the time. I do a lot of BTS fun stuff on my Instagram for sure, so make sure you check that out. And otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.